Welcome to Heather's DIY Designs. Today we are going to make a large, spacious Glam Makeup Organizer to go in your bathroom, bedroom, or wherever you could use extra space to organize your makeup and beauty projects. This is gorgeous and it is so much fun. The first thing I did was measure how tall and how wide I wanted the back piece of the organizer. I first used leftover drywall I had, but ended up using wood, so definitely use wood. I cut the wood, I know this is drywall, but use wood, at 2 feet length by 11 inches wide, and you're gonna wanna cut 2 of those. Then use one of those to cut 2 8.5 to 9-inch boards from. These will be the top and bottom boards of the organizer. Next, you will choose cardboard boxes that you can cut and glue together to make 2 shelves that you will divide into 2 sections. I use these BoxyCharm boxes I just had laying around. Just make sure that the length matches the 11th inches width of the backboard you just cut. The width is up to you, although it needs to come close to the length of one of the 2 smaller boards you cut, so around 8.5 to 9 inches. Next, I used this contact paper that I got from the Dollar Tree to cover all 3 pieces of wood. Yes, I used wood contact paper to cover wood. I simply wanted the surface to appear more consistent. Next, you want to attach the 2 smaller pieces of wood to the top and bottom of the 2 feet piece of wood. You will drill holes through the back of the backboard into the sides of the smaller boards. Once you've pre-drilled holes into the smaller boards, paint over the holes and then press the board up against the board you will drill it to. This will transfer the paint to the exact spot where you need to drill. Once you've transferred the paint and know where to drill the smaller boards to the top and bottom of the longer 2 feet board. Once this is done, you will cut 2 2-feet 1x4 pieces of wood and attach them to the sides of the top and bottom for extra support. You'll then add the 2 cardboard shelves you created in the desired space apart. You'll also attach the cardboard shelves to the backboard with screws. To cover the bottom of the cardboard shelves, I used this cardstock from the Dollar Tree. I cut them to fit and then laminated them at home. The first thing you do is buy laminating sheets. You can get these at Walmart, Fred Meyer, Michael's, anywhere they sell office supplies. Take out one of the sheets and open it up. Place the cardstock in between the 2 sheets and then close them again. Take out your iron and set it to about 3 out of 10 heat and iron over the top. Keep ironing until smooth and completely laminated. Once this is done, take out a towel and brush over the top. This will get rid of any excess wrinkles. Then you're going to cut off the excess laminating paper. Once this is finished, use your hot glue gun to glue down the laminating sheets into the cardboard boxes. The next thing I did was drilled these plastic makeup holders to the bottom of the organizer. I drilled holes into the plastic and then screwed them to the backboard. I had 2 of them, and this is optional. You can either create another cardboard shelf here or use some plastic makeup holders like I have. It's completely up to you. Front on the bottom, I placed a small amount of E6000 glue just to ensure the best hold. Now this is where the decor comes in. I used this pink iridescent sheet of paper that I got from Michael's and used it to cover the front and back of the boxes. And then I used just plain pink paper to cover the sides. I then used bling wrap to cover the edges and sides of the boxes and the entirety of the side pieces of wood. I attached these bling wraps with hot glue and E6000 glue. added a piece of cardboard between the two plastic makeup holders at the bottom. And then once I was done, I decorated it with bling. At the front of the makeup holders, I cut out and glued this cute flamingo paper that I got at Michael's. Look at how great this turned out. It is gorgeous and will glam up your home while also providing storage room for all your makeup and beauty products. I had so much fun making this project and I hope it inspires you to create your own. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future DIYs. Comment below with any questions you may have because I would love to help out. Above all, don't forget that you are beautiful and you are enough.